standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in, just me, just you.
Hello my gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll want to become friends and you'll hit that subscribe button. So today I have got stuff that I have been seeing viral on TikTok, and I have got the Ilmakiage Foundation Plus. This is supposed to completely get rid of your pores. It's called the Power Cream or something like that. Yeah, Power Cream Recharge. And then I've got the foundation. Then I've got the foundation brush plus a liquid liner, so I'm going to be using all that today. And I'm going to link my TikTok in here because I've got that clear blush. Like, for real. It's completely clear. You put it on and it changes color. So I thought that that was really cool. I also got a foundation brush with this foundation, so we're going to be trying all these things out, and I can't wait to share with you the results. So, alright guys, so I'm going to prep my skin and get ready for these new products, and I'm going to use by Essence the hyaluronic acid toner, and I'm going to use one of my eco-friendly makeup pads, and we're just going to basically get rid of any residue that my face wash may have left. And I'm super excited to try out the new Ilmakiage foundation and the no pigment blush. I saw this go viral and I was like, I have to try it. Now, as far as foundations go, there's just no way that one foundation could be universal for everyone, despite how many shades they may come out with. But I am 43 and I have combination skin, and at times it's drier in areas than it's ever been my face. So lately, I've just been trying out so many different types of foundations to find out what really looks its best on me. When I saw this cream and it said it was like a primer that erased your pores, I was like, what? It's actually a moisturizer. And I was like, there's just no way, because I have large pores and I need a pore filling primer. Guess what? I did not need my pore filling primer today. You heard me. I'm shocked. So I put a very generous amount of this on my face, and it took a minute to really absorb into the skin. But I'll tell you what, guys, it feels good. It looks like a thick, heavy moisturizer, but it's not. Skincare is so important to me because I have uneven skin tone, and it can look so bad. If you guys have it out there, you know that. Like, if you go to the store and you're not keeping up with your skincare and you don't have makeup on, you know, you can look spotty. You can look like there's something wrong with you, like you're sick or something. And that's where, right now, I'm like checking out my pores and I'm like, wait a minute. How is it that they're disappearing? Like, wait a minute. Is this right? Do I need to have my eyes checked? I'm like, hang on. So I'm just making sure this is completely rubbed in before I go ahead and try the foundation. And I have to tell you guys, I like doing these reviews for you, and I hope you guys enjoy them. But I'm 43 years old, and as you age, you feel it. You're like, wow, you know, I was once 20 and now I'm not, and holy crap, I blinked and time has just passed. So here we have the Ilmakiage foundation. I am not sure which shade I have, so I'll have to put that on the screen or in the description box so you guys can know. I'm in between tanning. I haven't really tanned in a couple weeks. Okay, let's get close. All right. What are your thoughts? Do you think it's gonna work? So I'm buffing it in, and it doesn't feel like your traditional foundation. And lately, recently I was impressed with Wayne Goss's The Luxury Cream, and I still am. But this doesn't even feel like that. It doesn't feel like you have anything on your skin, which really shocked me. And I've seen some really good reviews, and then I've seen some, well, I've heard from people that I trust that they weren't really crazy about it. So I'm just looking, and I have that 5 times or 10 times magnification mirror, which is what I always use to get up close to see if anything's dry, to see, you know, how my pores look, all of that. Because if it comes out good when you're in that 10 times magnification, then you're going to be fine when you go outside. Because you know how it is when you go outside, that sunlight, you're like, all right, let me see, let me check this out. So I really like the foundation brush too. It feels like a powder brush, so it's different for me. This whole experience is different for me. I'm kind of impressed here, like really impressed. I'm like, all right, let's take a look. Let's see. It literally doesn't look like I have any foundation on. I am impressed. I've heard a lot of good reviews in regards to this, but I've also heard from my friends, which I value their opinions, that this wasn't so good. I have to be honest with you. I like it. I know it's a little on the pricier side, but I do like it. And then this cream here, it like drenched my face, and then I never expected it at all to reduce the size of my pores because it's not a pore filling primer. But it worked. It worked. I'm going to try to get close-ups in here so you guys can see it. I'll tell you what, if you're over 40, you're definitely going to want to consider getting some of these products. And I'm doing a TikTok video. I may do a shorts video on this blush. I have it on, and I'm impressed. I tried it on my hand first. I tried it on my daughter's nurse's hand, and it was 2 different colors. So I'm kind of curious about the technology behind that, but I want your opinions. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. You guys know I value that, and I love hearing your feedback, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I love you guys so much. I am going to go get some coffee, and then I'm going to start editing videos, and I cannot wait to talk to you guys real soon in another video.